If you look at digital agriculture, this is the whole picture, okay? And what are the things? In fact, if you look into it from the plan side, microscopic examination of the plans and analysis of the data in digital domain, then field economics, basically drone-based or otherwise, getting the data from actual field. Then analytics. Analytics can be cloud-based analytics, can be also a local computer-based analytics. And these analytics would dictate what are the kind of inputs we shall provide while I'm doing cultivation for a particular crop. In fact, this digital analytics and the digital input can also control the machines, which are agricultural machines, which are being used or can be used in agricultural space. But more than this shows only one aspect of digital agriculture. But what it really implies is that we are moving towards what we call digitalization of the entire agri-food chain. So the context of digital agriculture is ubiquity, portability, and mobility of digital technologies. And this can actually impact in a huge way the agriculture and consequent food production. And it is actually projected by FAO also that if we need to address the problem of hunger as per SDG goals, the digitalization of the agricultural system, the agricultural pipeline, is one of the desired solutions. Now, what are the components of this pipeline? Components of the pipelines are, first is IoT, sensing and IoT. So I need to use sensors to actually understand and get information about the ground reality. It can be while I'm cultivating in the field. It can be on the supply chain. It can be from post-harvest, monitoring post-harvest condition of the food grains or even fruits and other yields. And this sensing can happen at a start on static platform. Also today, it's being increasingly used using drones. In fact, we know that agricultural drone has been put into a special consideration in the union budget also. And a major sensing modality today is imaging. That is various kinds of imaging sensors. And imaging sensors work on different ranges of electromagnetic spectra. And based on that, we have variety of these imaging sensors. So imaging sensors are also sensors. They are also connected over internet. So everything put together, they form what is called Internet of Things. And Internet of Things for agriculture, if they are providing agricultural data through this process. Obviously, the key point here is data. So digitalization essentially means in using digital modalities to sense the environment. That is what is digitalization, and that digitalization yields data. And what shall we do with that data? We shall do computation. Computation will give us an insight, and reasoning with insight, doing more with that data, extracting useful elements from the data, we have got AI. AI is a major technology for actually exploiting the data that IoT system is providing. And the linking the two things together is communication, as well as whatever is the outcome of this process is being delivered to the end users also through communication. So therefore, in the whole scheme of things, sensing, drone, imaging, data, computation, AI, communication, all of these creates the context and enabling factors for digital agriculture.